This video will show you how to find your actual cellular signal strength using field test mode to improve your connection. Field test mode allows you to access a diagnostic dashboard with detailed information about your network connection and signal metrics. By mapping your perimeter, you can find the strongest outside signal and determine the optimal location to mount an external antenna for a signal booster. Cellular devices measure signal strength in decibel-milliwatts, or dBm, also called RSRP. Numbers closer to 0 indicate a stronger signal. Accessing field test mode varies by device. iPhones use a hidden dial code, while Android devices typically use the settings menu. For iPhones, turn off Wi-Fi, open the phone app, dial *3001 number 12345 hash and press call. You can find the RSRP value under Cell Information. For Android, open the Settings app, tap About Phone, Status, and then SIM Status to read the signal strength. To map your signal, keep the screen open and slowly walk the perimeter, recording the dBm numbers. The number closest to 0 is your strongest location. While signal bars can be misleading, field test mode reveals the true data, giving you the control to optimize your network connection.